Hello lovelies, and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. In this video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this super sleek long braided jumbo ponytail on my natural hair. And yeah, if you want to see how I achieve it, if you want to see how I achieve this gorgeous jumbo ponytail, then keep on watching. And before then, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Tap on the bell icon as well. In that way, you get instant notifications whenever I put a new video. So thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye.
They said to wait for the right time, and I think tonight might just be right. I know you want to do it too, so bring your courage, there's no rules. Don't be scared, just trust me. Take my hand any minute now. Get ready to smile. And I just wanna see the colors and rainbows, 'cause we just wanna be in this dream forever. Just in this dream forever. Just forever. Just in this dream forever. Now that you're knee deep in this vice, just enjoy, take my advice. You say that you love it and you're okay, but I know better and you're afraid. Have no shame, just let go. Follow me to another land. Try to understand. And I just wanna see the colors and rainbows, 'cause we just wanna be in this dream forever. Just in this dream forever.
Now I'm just attaching the extension on my natural hair, and after that I'm just going to open the second pack of the hair, and I'm just going to separate them. So because they are two in one, so I'm just going to cut them like up to four or five. So the two of them will be like about 10 pieces. So here I'm just going to smoothen my natural hair, so it will be, very smooth when I'm braiding my hair. So after that, you can see I got a little bit of hair out, and I'm going to work with that later. So now I'm just separating the extension into three parts. And after that, I'm just going to apply this locking firm wax on the extension just to smooth it a little bit. So lovelies, as you can see here, I separated my natural hair into 3 parts as well. And after that, I'm just going to go ahead and start braiding the hair. So keep on watching.
They said to wait for the right time, and I think tonight might just be right. I know you want to do it too, so bring your courage, there's no rules. Don't be scared, just trust me. Take my hand any minute now. Get ready to smile. And I just wanna see the colors and rainbows, 'cause we just wanna be in this dream forever. Just in this dream forever. Just forever. Just in this dream forever. Now that you're knee deep in this vice, just enjoy, take my advice. You say that you love it and you're okay, but I know better and you're afraid. Have no shame, just let go, follow me to another land. Try to understand, and I
So guys, this is the final look. I just removed the tie.
Just enjoy, take my advice. You say that you love it and you're okay, but I know better and you're afraid. Have no shame, just let go, follow me to another land. Try to understand.
If you want, you can actually make it